Hello everybody, it's Ace, and today I'm going to show you guys how to import your project files into Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to do this, and first what you want to do is open up Adobe. I've already opened it up to save the hassle of loading time. This computer, I have a laptop, it takes a while, so boom, just straight open it. Once you open it, you're going to want to do a new file or new project at the top, and then that will bring you straight to this, unless you have an existing one. In that case, you probably would have already imported things. Anyways, this is a new project. Once you go to this, a few different ways to do this would be, I'm going to import this file right here, just in case, just so you know it's me doing a backflip. Boop. Pretty bad. Oh well. So I would say the simplest way to do this would be the drag and drop method. You would want to drag it into your project file, your project untitled folder, unless you want to title it something. This is where you import the media. So that was one way to do it. You get in there, and then after that you'll just drag and drop it right into your timeline to create a sequence. But that's for a different video if y'all want different ways to do that. So that was one way to bring that in. The next way would be just to simple double click right in the import media section, and here it is right here. You're gonna have to go through your different tabs to see where the file is. It might be on a hard drive, but in my case it is right here in desktop. You just double click it, it'll bring it right back in just like the same way, just as fast, I'd say. And another way to do this would be to go make sure you're in Adobe, because if you're on the desktop, like say you click out here, you're not going to be able to do this. Make sure you're clicked inside of Adobe. I would click in the project area also, and then go to File, Import, right down here close to the bottom. It's in the file, and then from your import is it brings you right to the Finder. Just import it. And this goes the same way if you have a Windows or a Mac or any type of computer. Same 3 ways. It's pretty simple. Just import, and then you'll put it on your timeline, and that's how you get started. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this type of Ace tutorial. More will be coming soon. Starting off pretty simple, gonna get more complex, and also just different types of things. If you guys have different tutorials you guys want to see, let me know down below. This has been Ace, and I just showed you guys how to import your files to Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 version. Alright guys, take care. This has been Ace. Adios.